As you can see, the changes that we've made, we started off by making textual changes. We changed this button's content to check now. Then we changed the page title to your reseller brand from SuperSite. After that, within the theme section, I first changed the logo that you can see over here. The next thing we changed was this image, which is now a grayscaled image. After that, we worked on the on the main menu. As you can see, it's not bolded anymore, and the color has changed as well. And of course, then the background color and the text color has all been moved to red. So these are the changes that we've made onto the SuperSite, and you can actually see them over here. Now, apart from this, there are a couple of other SuperSite skins that our design team was working on, and I'll just show you those skins so that you can understand the level to which the customization is possible. So let me just click on this here. So this is one way in which you could customize your SuperSite. This is another one. Then looks pretty cool. And then it could even be modified to look something like this. In fact, this one has also added a new image right on the top. Right. So I'm going to move back to the PowerPoint presentation now. And I've finished adding and editing my SuperSite themes. What's left is a few miscellaneous aspects, so before we actually end this presentation, I'd just like to quickly touch upon these aspects. Well, firstly, because of the demand for this more than anything else, we've actually given access to all the PSD files of the SuperSite images, so you can actually find them within your admin area. And I'm going to go back to the admin area right now. Right. So your PSD files are available over here for you to download. So basically you can download any image within this and then modify it to either add your own brand name or customize any aspect based on what you need, and then just add it back to the SuperSite. Right. The other aspect that I'd like to cover is that of how you can track your visitors. Now, earlier on, we actually offered you AW stats on the SuperSite, but we have actually discontinued that. So if you want to track your visitors, you could actually do that by using Google Analytics now. So assuming you already have an analytics account, you could add a small code snippet to a couple of your SuperSite pages from within the languages section. Now, this code snippet is actually available within the reseller knowledge base. Now, you can find that reseller knowledge base either by going to resellerclub.com/support or going within your reseller control panel itself. Over here, you can go to tools. Sorry, not tools. Help, knowledge base. Over here, you'll find the information for where you can modify this by going to the reseller guides section. Within reseller guides, you can go to the SuperSite and partner site guide section. And over here, the last page is tracking e-commerce transactions on your SuperSite via Google Analytics. You can click on this, and the code snippet that you need to add is available over here. Now, the two pages to which you can add this code snippet, and I'm moving back to the admin area now. Click on the dashboard. So the two pages you can find them within the languages section. You can click on manage site, edit content. The first page is the root.html file available over here, and the second page is within shopping_process, complete_payment, complete_payment.html. So this is the second page where you'd need to add the code snippet, and you could actually track anything you could track your visitors, sorry, using Google Analytics. The last aspect within SuperSite customization that I'd like to cover right now, and it's probably the most important aspect, it's your reloading of the SuperSite cache. Now you could reload your SuperSite cache by clicking on this button here. Now, more importantly than just finding the reload cache option, I think it's important to understand when exactly would you really need to reload your SuperSite cache. Now, as you saw, any changes that I made to the SuperSite from within the admin area, the changes reflected almost immediately within a matter of seconds. However, if I make any change from within my order box control panel or my reseller control panel, so if I'm in my reseller control panel over here, and let's say I change the pricing, right? I change the pricing for .com and .net domains from within this section. Now these changes would actually not reflect immediately onto the SuperSite because of what I had mentioned absolutely in the beginning of the video. That is that the SuperSite and OrderBox are completely separate entities. So if I want to make sure that the changes actually reflect on the SuperSite, that is any change that I've made within the control panel, I need to reload my cache. So now I can reload the cache from within the SuperSite admin area, and these are the different settings that I can reload. I can reload any active products data, or any of the specific products data. I can reload any kind of reseller branding setting that I've made over there, any change that I've made within the legal agreements, or my reseller slabs for that matter. Apart from that, I saw that somebody was asking about how a payment gateway can actually be integrated onto the SuperSite. All you actually have to do is integrate the payment gateway from within your control panel and then just reload your SuperSite cache, so that every time a customer or a sub reseller of yours is trying to add funds or purchase a product or service, that payment gateway would automatically reflect once your SuperSite cache has been reloaded. So apart from here, this is one area where you can actually reload your SuperSite cache. The other area is within your reseller control panel itself. You can go to Tools, Reload SuperSite and Partner Site Cache, and just click on all SuperSite and Partner Site settings in case you don't want to find the specific page that should be reloaded. Right. Moving back to the PowerPoint presentation. So this actually takes care of SuperSite customization. I obviously have not gone completely in depth with this customization presentation. That's obviously because if we start modifying the SuperSite, it is going to take more time than what my team has given me over here to talk to you guys. So I'm going to have to stop this over here right now, and if you have any doubts or if you want to know more about the SuperSite or any other aspect, or if you'd like me to cover anything that's probably not even related to the SuperSite, but you'd probably want me to take another webinar on it, you could just mail us at sales@resellerclub.com or webinar@resellerclub.com, or email me at sridhar.l@resellerclub.com. Apart from that, the phone numbers are on top as well, and you could also Skype us. Our Skype name is ResellerClub. And thank you guys. Ciao for now.